Hi, welcome back to my channel Learn English Grammar. Myself Priya Adhikari. We are learning parts of speech. In previous video, we have learned its two parts of speech, that is noun and pronoun. In this video, we are learning third parts of speech, that is adjective. If you are watching this video for the first time, please click on the link which is there in description so that you can watch those previous videos, because all these parts of speech are connected to one another. Let's recall. Noun. Now what is meant by noun? All naming words which are there in our surroundings with regard to person, place, things, animals and birds. For example, joy, Seema, dog, elephant, etc. Now what is meant by pronoun? The word which is used instead of a noun is called as pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. Now we are learning adjective. Now what is meant by adjective? The word which describes a noun and pronoun are called as adjective, or in other words, the word which gives more information about a noun and pronoun is called an adjective. Now let's learn adjective with some examples. Before learning adjectives with examples, let's recall its definition. The word which describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. The word which describes a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. Or in other words, we can say that the word which gives more or additional information about nouns and pronouns is called an adjective. Now, here are some small words like clever girl, red dress, cold water. Now, in this, see clever girl. Now, here we know that girl is a noun and the word which describes girl, that word is clever. So, clever is an adjective. Now, red dress. Here, dress is a noun and the word which describes dress or what is the color of dress, we get the answer red. So here red is an adjective. Cold water. Here water is a noun and the word describes water. That word is cold. So cold is an adjective. Let's see some examples. You will have better idea with these examples. See the first example. An elephant is a huge animal. Now in this sentence, we know that here animal is a noun. Now this word huge, it gives some more information about animal. That means of what kind. So we know the answer, it is huge. So huge is an adjective in this sentence. Now see next example. Karishma has got a sweet voice. In this example, voice is a noun. Now the word sweet gives more information about voice. Means what kind of voice Karishma has? Sweet. So answer is sweet. So sweet is an adjective. In the third example, Sita is a clever girl. In this example, we know that here noun is girl. So this word clever gives more information about noun girl. Means of what kind Sita is. So Sita is a clever girl. We got the answer clever. So clever is an adjective. See the fourth example. He has a red car. Now in this example, we know that car is a noun. So if we ask a question to the noun, what is the color of the car? We get the answer red. So it means that this word gives more information about the noun car. So red is an adjective. Now see the last example. She has 2 apples. Now in this example, again we know that apples is a noun. Now if we ask the question how many, we get the answer 2. So it means that this word 2 gives information about the noun apples. So 2 is an adjective. Now see next example. There is enough water in the pot. Now in this example, again, here the noun is water. Now if we ask the question how much water, we get the answer enough. So enough is an adjective. In other words, this word gives information about water. So enough is an adjective. Now see the next example. Jaya has a big teddy. In this example, we know that teddy is a noun. Now we know that it gives information about teddy. The word big. Big gives information. So big is an adjective. Third example. He is an honest man. Now man is a noun. It describes man. How is man? He is an honest. So the word honest is an adjective. Now see the next example. I ate some rice. Now in this example, rice is a noun. But means we know that it gives information about noun rice. It gives information that means some. So some is an adjective in this sentence. Now see last sentence. A hand has 5 fingers. Now in this example, again, fingers is a noun. We know that the word 5 gives information about the word fingers. So 5 is a noun, adjective. Now here are some examples of adjectives like poor, rich, large, huge, big, small, long, clever, beautiful, ugly, short, black, red, some, enough, little, sufficient, much, 3, 6, 5, 10th, 8th, etc. Now, have you understood the topic adjectives? I repeat the definition. The word which describes a noun and a pronoun is called an adjective, or the word which gives more or additional information about nouns and pronouns is called an adjective. Now, if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and please hit the bell icon so that you will get its notification when I upload new video regarding grammar. Thank you.